In this assignment, we will install the foundation wall to support the exterior walls in the superstructure. The foundation wall is a stacked wall object with a 4-inch brick on top of a 10-inch CMU. CMU stands for Concrete Masonry Unit. To install the exterior foundation wall, you will go to your Architecture tab. In the Build section of the ribbon, you will select Wall. Since this is a foundation wall, you will select Wall Structural. In the Properties, you will need to select the stacked wall that is labeled Foundation 4-inch brick on 10-inch CMU. You can either find this in the list under the stacked wall section, or you can find it in the most recently used types. You will select the 4-inch brick on 10-inch CMU stacked wall. After you select the correct wall, in the Properties, the base constraint should be TOF, the base offset should be 0 feet 0 inches, the top constraint should be finished floor 1, and the top offset should be 0. If you have to make these changes, select Apply. If you look in the detail view, you will see that the bottom of the CMU wall is at the top of footing. The brick will go up to the finished floor 1. In the Modify Place Structural Wall tab, since this wall would take on a rectangular shape, you will click on the rectangle tool. You will bring your cursor to the bottom left corner of the existing exterior walls and click. You will drag up and to the right until your exterior foundation walls are around the existing exterior walls, and click again. You will go to your Modify button under File. We will need to make sure to check that the walls are oriented or facing the correct direction. We will select one of our exterior foundation walls. If the double arrows are on the inside, you will need to click on the double arrows to flip the wall. We will need to do this for each of the walls to check to see if the double arrows are on the outside. If they are not, we need to flip the wall so the double arrows are on the outside of the wall. The next step is to align the foundation wall with the existing exterior wall. In the project browser, you will scroll until you get to the sections, wall section area. You will double click on section 1. This will open up a section view of the walls. In order to align the foundation wall with the exterior wall, we will need to select Modify. In the Modify section of the ribbon, you will need to select the Align tool. For the Prefer, we want to align the wall faces. because we want to align the brick in the foundation wall with the brick in the exterior wall. So select wall faces, click on the outside of the brick on the exterior wall, then click on the outside of the brick that's on top of the foundation wall. Click on the lock to lock these two walls in place. We will repeat this procedure for the other sections. So in the browser, in the project browser, select section 2, go to the Align tool in the Modify section of the ribbon, select the face of the brick on the exterior wall, select the face of the brick on the foundation wall, and lock those into place. I will repeat this for section 3. And section 4. I will go to View, 3D View, and this should be the end result.